Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Park the Toyota Corolla on level ground, engage the parking brake, and let the 1.8L engine cool for at least 90 minutes to avoid burns. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Gather tools: 10mm socket and ratchet, flathead screwdriver, pliers, torque wrench, new thermostat with gasket, and approximately 1 liter of Toyota-approved coolant. Place a drain pan under the radiator petcock and wear gloves and eye protection. Confirm you have rags and a small container to keep bolts organized. Open the radiator petcock and drain about 1 liter of coolant into the pan until the level drops below the thermostat housing. Close the petcock when done. Loosen the upper radiator hose clamp with a screwdriver or pliers and detach the hose from the thermostat housing, twisting gently to break the seal. Remove the 2 thermostat housing bolts with a 10mm socket and ratchet, keeping bolts in order. Separate the housing carefully, note orientation, and extract the old thermostat and gasket. Clean mating surfaces with a scraper and rag until free of debris. Install the new thermostat with the spring oriented toward the engine block so the valve opens into the engine. Seat the new gasket and hand start the thermostat housing bolts. Use a torque wrench to tighten bolts to 8 Nm to avoid warping the housing. Reattach the upper radiator hose and tighten its clamp. Refill the radiator and overflow reservoir with about 1.5 liters of Toyota-approved coolant, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine. Let it reach operating temperature while watching for leaks, and top off coolant as air bleeds from the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.